I'm going to show you how to do the initial setup of the printer and how to do the wireless setup, and also we will install the setup ink cartridges. And the first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button and you will see 0 will appear in the display panel. Next thing is to install the ink cartridges. Now take them out of the plastic packaging. Open the ink cartridge chamber door, so press this lock here, as you can see this one. Now ink cartridge chamber is here. You will see you can install the color on this side and black on this side, and there is a lock system here, so push the lock down with the finger, press it hard. Now install the color ink cartridge in the color side, simply slide it in and push the lock up. Install the black like this and push the lock up. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Now we have to load the A4 size sheets. So open the rear paper tray, adjust the size, place the A4 size sheets here, make it tight and press OK on the display panel. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of the printer. That means we are going to connect it with the Wi-Fi network of our home or office. For that we have to go to any device. For example, I have an iPhone here. Open the Canon Print app. It will ask you to search for available printers. Click yes. If you get a message printer cannot be found, click OK button. On the next screen we have to click on the if printer cannot be found. It will give further instructions. Click auto connection. Our printer has a button like this, so confirm it. Now press and hold this button for 3 seconds, which is here. 1, 2, 3. Release it and confirm on the screen. Also click OK once you see this message. Now open the Wi-Fi setting of your device. In the Wi-Fi setting, look for your printer's name, that is TS3400. Click. It will connect with the printer, and we have to go back and open the app again and click OK on the panel. It will show up the name of the Wi-Fi network it's going to connect, so click yes. Enter the password. So this is the password of your home Wi-Fi network. Click on the OK button. Here we can see our printer is connected. Go to your main app, and here we can do the wireless printing, scanning. You can also do the copy. Printing, click on the print document button. Select any document you want. For example, this one. Click on the next button. Click on the print icon and click OK, and it will start the printing. Overall, it's very easy to quickly set up this printer, and then we can connect with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office, and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.